Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your Valentine's special today. I promised you a bonus for Valentine's. Here it is. Today we're going to tap into your person's energy and see how they're feeling on this special day and if they could say something to you, what that would be and how they're truly feeling about your connection now. So, Virgo, you could be with your partner right now in the same house. Maybe they are miles away, countries, continents away, but there's certain things maybe sometimes people find it difficult to say, right? So, that's what we're going to check on is what is really going on in their heart. So, and these are general collective readings. Virgo will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So this time we're not going to be taking an angel blessing card, Virgo, because I've already pulled one out for you. And this is from the universe and all the angels and me at Omkara, wishing you lots and lots and lots of love in your life. Happy Valentine's Day. So let's begin. This is going to be a mini read, okay? Just 3 cards to tap into your person's energy. We'll do some clarification and then we'll do our dialogue messages. Tower. What's this sudden change? Queen of Cups. Ace of Cups. And the Six of Swords. Beautiful energy. So, yes, there is a lot of love here. The center, of these 3 cards is that big, overwhelming, overflowing cup of love. It's like pouring, pouring, pouring. Oh, beautiful. And then I have the Six of Swords as well, which is ending troubled times and moving to happier times. Okay? And of course, it starts out with the Queen of Cups here. So, Spirit, what's this Queen of Cups here? Somebody really loves you. Maybe you guys were having a little bit of trouble where you were doubting it. Is it going to come back? Should I keep giving my love to this person or not? Is it time to release this soulmate connection? And maybe you turned your back on your partner saying, what's the point? It's not going to work out anyway. But see what I have here. I have the King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. So this is an equal match here. Okay, so whoever this Queen of Cups is and maybe was on the verge of releasing this connection to say, hey, maybe this is a third party situation, I don't know. But yes, was kind of fearing that my partner doesn't love me, we're not going to have a reconciliation, is it time to release this connection? But there is that big cup of love. Let's see. What's this, Spirit? Even though I think both of you feel that connection very, very deeply, Virgo, things were kind of feeling that they may come to an end because of maybe a marriage or a commitment problem. But somebody is returning. Somebody definitely wants to return or is returning, maybe on Valentine's Day, which is today. And yes, this Tower is... they are feeling a bit overwhelmed because they know it's their fault that this Queen of Cups is now feeling a lack of love. They know they're very overwhelmed with the thought that, oh my God, it's my fault. It's my fault that my Queen is feeling this way. Today, as of all days, they just want to end the fight. They want to have some clear communication, I think, with their person. They want to have a one-on-one, clear communication, and they know that their person is upset and angry and is looking for answers, and I think they're ready for it. They do want to end some kind of fight and they want to now have peace with their partner. Oh my God, same card twice. Six of Swords, Six of Swords. So yes, your partner definitely wants to communicate with you today, Virgo. They want to end a fight or any conflict that you guys have been having. If you've been doubting them, they know it's their fault. Maybe they didn't do something right, or they didn't commit, or I don't know what. Yes, they want to heal the situation. Oh my God. Yes, they definitely want to heal the situation. If something had halted in the past, they want to bring it back to balance. And yes, the Four of Wands is here. This is a promise of a stable future. That's what they want to give you. So what's this Tower moment, Spirit? What's happening here? What's this Tower? One more. This is a person who's coming your way ready to be on your level. They have so much passion for you. They know that the choice that they have to make, they have to be in control and offer you stability, growth, abundance, and a forever. And I think this is going to come as a shocker to some of you, because this person is now coming in to bring justice to this relationship. They are going to want to have a stable new beginning. And yes, that's what a stable new beginning here. So let's see. Let's see. Yes, expect a message, Virgo. Expect this message to come your way today, if it hasn't come already. Let's see what's in their heart space then. Virgo's person spirit, if they had to say something to them. Of course, please know these energies sometimes get flipped, okay? So Virgo, if you're the one whose partner is upset with them and is ready to release, I think quickly send that message, or, step up. Today is the perfect day. But of course, this could be your partner coming towards you. Definitely a message is coming and they have good intentions. I feel so much passion for you. Yes, I saw that here with the Lover's card. This person says, I have so much passion for you. Don't let the past dictate the future. Don't stay upset with me for too long. If you've had a conflict, let it go. Let's kind of find peace once again. They want to leave any difficulty now in the past and move forward with you in a happy way. Please get to know me again. I've changed. Yes, they're coming back as the King of Pentacles, which is the perfect spouse, the person who really, really wants to step up and take charge of a situation or a relationship and be the best version of a partner. So let's take a message from the masculine here towards the feminine. Masculine to the feminine spirit, if they could say something. Don't let my arrogance fool you. I feel unworthy. Maybe that's the way they've been feeling, and that's the reason they've been kind of pulling back or whatever. But now I think they've realized that no, they are worthy, and they should, and they can, and they will come forward to you to offer something very, very stable. I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I'm going to lose myself in you. That's the amount of love and passion this person feels towards you. Let's see what the feminine has to say to this. The feminine to the masculine spirit. I would be honored to have a family with you. I wish you would tell me how you really feel so I don't have to get readings on you. Oh. Okay. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. This is a beautiful match. It's the Queen of Cups to the King of Cups. Equal love with a big cup of love in the middle. Yes, I think the feminine was losing hope in this connection, but the love is going to override any problems that you guys have. Let's take some true confessions as well, if there's anything else that they want to tell you. No more. Okay, let's take these two. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect back with you. So maybe they've been afraid, the feminine's been a bit upset with them, so they've been kind of holding back, not feeling worthy. But now, especially today, I think they definitely are wanting to message or will message for sure. Missing you so much. We do have something special. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So I hope this resonates with all the Virgos out there. I hope all of you get your messages. I hope you all get your partner back with you and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Lots of blessings, love and light. Take care. Namaste.